Market information is the basis of every market development. You cannot develop a market without numbers.
I need data in my daily work, and I form EU and for policy making because it's important for policy decision.
I am Raffaele Zanoli. Hello, I am the coordinator of the Organic Data Network project. One of the aims of this project is to enhance the current data availability because the market asks for it. The market asks for better data because better data makes the market more transparent and more competitive. During these 3 years, we have first of all started with a survey of end users to understand which were the needs of end users about organic market data. Also, we made a survey of data collectors. So we make a complete, full list of data collectors throughout Europe, which actually were the starting point for our involvement of stakeholders in the project. Then after that, we have gone thoroughly the existing data. This was an extensive work to compile in a big database, which partially was already in place, but it needs to be enhanced in terms of comparability, of consistency check and quality. And this data effort is now came out with a much better database that was existing before the project.
The Organic Data Network project is an important project for the European Commission. It goes beyond of what is also collected today by the European Commission, namely by the Eurostat office. It looks into other data that are very interesting to know about the sector, like the international trade data and also the production yields or the market data.
Unfortunately, the quality of existing data, in some cases the availability of some of the data, is not enough in most of the country to be able to use a fully consistent quality check. And this is something that the project did not completely achieve, at least in not all countries, and this is something that will probably need to be continued in the future. Since the funding of the project was not enough to make a huge data collection of new data throughout all the country, we have chosen 6 different case studies. 5 of these were related to a specific country and 1 was about the Mediterranean areas. These case studies ended up in improved market reports and also with an extensive analysis of what kind of experience was learned during these case studies. The case studies was again an element of dialogue and cooperation between stakeholders.
The Organic Data Network project was very helpful in Lebanon. It really helped us understand the importance of having data well gathered, well classified.
One of the most important probably output that we will come out of the project, together with a recommendation to the Commission, is the ORMA code, or the Organic Market Data Code of Practice. At the moment, the data collection practices are very different and we need a set of principles to guide the way that different data collectors will approach organic market data collection in Europe. The Organic Data Network only lasts as a project for 3 years, but we want the network to be a permanent, long-term collaboration between people and bodies which are interested in data collection. And that's why we involved so many different types of stakeholders from different countries.
I think it's a good way of building this kind of network that would continue work in the future.
The Organic Data Network project involves various stakeholders, so from the European Union countries, member states, but also from the third countries. So here we have actors from Tunisia, Morocco, Turkey, Albania. These are all important partners, trading partners for the European Union, or at least there is a big potential for them and for the European Union to have a trade with these countries. I think it is important that the project gives really the milestone for the future. It certainly has the potential for involvement. It could be another research project, or there could be other solutions like collaborations between the national authorities and also the partners of the project from the private sector to come along with a better data collection.
We hope that the European Commission will keep supporting this kind of research project because, I mean, as I said, good results, but it's not yet enough. So we need better harmonization, we need more and more data, we need to help the organic business to plan and organize their activities in advance.